In this video, we're tackling a common question. How do I connect a smart thermostat? With smart home technology becoming more popular by the day, getting your new smart thermostat up and running is a great idea, and it's easier than you think. Plus, stay tuned and I'll share a crucial tip near the end of this video that can save you from common pitfalls during the installation. Okay, let's gather the things you'll need. For tools and equipment, in addition to your new smart thermostat, you'll need both a flat blade and Phillips-style screwdriver, a cordless drill, and your smartphone for the setup. Now, let's walk through the steps. The first step is to turn off your HVAC system. Make sure you turn off the electrical supply at the breaker in your main electrical panel to stay safe. Next, remove the old thermostat. Carefully remove your old thermostat from the wall. Take note of how the wires are connected, and you might want to take a photo for reference. Label the wires. Use the labels provided with your smart thermostat to mark each wire. This will make reconnecting them much easier. Install the new base plate. Attach the base plate of your new thermostat to the wall using the screws provided. If it's square or rectangular, make sure it's level. Connect the wires. Match the labeled wires to the corresponding terminals on your new thermostat. Make sure each exposed wire is fully inside the terminal and secure them tightly to ensure a good connection. Attach the thermostat. After the wires are connected, attach the thermostat unit to the base plate. Make sure it clicks firmly into place. Power up and configure. Turn your HVAC system back on at the breaker. Then, follow the on-screen instructions on your smart thermostat and use your smartphone or tablet to complete the setup. And now for that crucial tip I mentioned earlier. Ensure you have a C wire, also known as a common wire, for continuous power. Many older homes don't have this wire, and without it, your smart thermostat may not function properly. If you're unsure or need assistance, it's always a good idea to consult a professional. Congratulations, you've just learned how to connect your new smart thermostat. If you found this information helpful, please click the like button, subscribe for more useful tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates. This video was brought to you by PurePlumbing&Air in Las Vegas. If you need help with any plumbing, heating, or cooling anywhere in Las Vegas or Henderson, Nevada, give us a call at 702-534-1910. And remember, when you've got to be sure, call Pure. If you like this video, then you'll find this one helpful too.